Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the course material library in the file picker window to add a article or book chapter to your course page. So in the past we had this thing called the course material library where folks could upload articles and put in the APA citation information, and then faculty could go and browse to see what other folks were using in their classes, and then they could link directly to that file in the course material library from their course page. It was kind of a circuitous process, so we've simplified that a bit, and I will show you how to use it. So the first thing you're going to want to do on your course page is turn editing on. Right now I'm in the sandbox, which looks similar to your course page. You're going to scroll down to the week you want to add the reading, and under add a resource you're going to choose file. You want to give your file a name, so let's do test reading, and then if you have any instructions or descriptions you can put those in the description box. You can choose whether or not you want that description to display on the course page, but I'm just going to leave it unchecked for now. And then you'll go down to add under select files. You're going to want to, it should be on upload a file at first, so you're going to want to click SFTP upload and then view as list. And here you see the course material library folder, which is all of the articles and book chapters from the old channel that have been imported over here. And then I've also got folders for the Core 510 files and MGT 511. So if you'd like me to add your files to a folder, I can do that. Otherwise, all of the course materials are going to be in this folder. So I'll click plus to expand that, and you'll notice that the file names are pretty long, and that's just because there isn't a way to kind of index these articles. So I've just given the full title and the author's last name, and if there are multiple authors I put most of their last names in here. And then for book chapters I've also included the chapter that the PDF is, so here chapter 5. So this is a very long list, and I don't expect you to look through everything searching for your article. So what you can do is click and hold Control on your keyboard and then click the F button, and that will pull up the find box. And if you're on a Mac, you're going to want to do Command F to bring up that find box. And then you can do a search. So I'll do a search for Senge, and you'll notice that it gets highlighted here. So if that was the chapter I wanted, I could just click that, but I'm going to click enter just to see how many times that word appears here. So chapter 10, chapter 2, looks like those are the only two, because I keep on pushing enter and it just goes back to those two. So and this one also has chapter 14 included. So let's say this is the one I wanted. I would just click that and it'll bring me to the next screen, and I'll do select this file, and that shows up here, and you can just scroll down and do save and return to course. Scroll down to the bottom and it will be listed here. So that is how you use the course material library in the new channel.